attention. That's all I'm in.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Talia. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this pink rose gold half cut crease that I did. I posted this on my Instagram a while ago, and I did a poll on my story to see what look that you guys wanted to see me do a tutorial on, and you guys voted for this look. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So if you guys want to find out how to get this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I just did my eyebrows, so we're going to move around to the eyeshadow now. For the look, the first palette that we're going to be using is the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. So for the transition shade, I'm going to be using this hot pink color, and I'm just going to take that on my Morphe M535. It's just a big fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to blend that out. Okay, so now that that's blended out, I'm going to go in with this darker pink shade right here, and I'm just going to be taking that on the same brush and just kind of blending it in to make it a little bit darker and kind of using that as my crease shade. Okay, so now I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and the only shade I'm going to be taking from here is the shade Love Letter. It's just this dark pink shade, and that's just going to help to really deepen up the crease, and I'm going to be taking it on this BH Cosmetics brush. It's just a fluffy blending brush. Okay, so now I'm going to be going back in with the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm just going to be using this black shade down here. I'm just going to be using a really small amount of that to blend in with Love Letter, just to make it a little bit more dark. And I'm going to be taking this on my Morphe M321, and it's just this like small, precise brush. Okay, so now I'm going to cut my crease. So for this look, I'm going to be doing a half cut crease, and I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm also going to be using my Morphe B19 brush. Okay, so I just finished doing my cut crease, so I'm just going to quickly set that with this light shade in the Morphe 35O palette, and I'm just going to take this on my Morphe M224 brush and lightly pack that on. I'm not going to use a lot though, because when we apply the shimmer, I really want that to pop. Okay, so before I apply the shimmer shade, I'm just going to take my NYX glitter primer, and I'm just going to put a little bit of this on my eyelid. This is optional, you don't have to do this, but I just find that this kind of helps like the glitter shadows or the shimmery shadows pop a little bit more. So I'm just going to be applying that with my BH Cosmetics brush. Okay, so I just finished applying the primer, so now I'm going to go back into my Morphe 35O palette, and I'm just going to be using two shimmer shades. So I'm going to be kind of using a mixture of this one right here and this one up here, and I'm just going to be taking that on this Sephora smudge brush. Okay, so I've just finished applying the shimmer shade onto my lid, so I'm going to go back in with the shade Love Letter from the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just going to use that to help blend the shimmer into the pink. Okay, I'm also going to be taking a little bit of this black shade from the BH Cosmetics palette, just a small amount. I just wanted to use that to kind of darken up the outer corner. Okay, so that is the completed eye. I'm gonna go off camera and do my other eye and my face makeup, and then I'll get back to you guys when I'm ready to apply some lashes. Okay guys, so I just applied some lashes actually off camera. I just used the Chai Marie lashes in the style Nubia, and I applied some lip liner and lip gloss. But that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more videos from me, I'm gonna be posting every single week. You guys can also follow my social media. I will have it linked down below, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.